dark, and I was over until you could find me, baby. My hands, they're strong, but my knees are far too weak. Stand in your arms with that gun to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true with the game you play. You would always and always win. But I set fire to rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. With you, I could stay there. Close my eyes, will you hear? Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the game you play. You were always win. But I set fire to rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Set fire to rain. Watch it rush into the face. Let it burn tonight, 'cause I knew that was the last time. The last time I wake up by the door, 'cause you must be waiting for ya. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain and you pour out like your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain and I feel lost into my face. When I found something nice, 'cause I knew that was the last time. The last time. Oh no. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Okay, so that was me, Kaylee, singing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. If you like it, like and subscribe, and maybe I'll do more covers, maybe I won't, maybe I'll just make vlogs. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.